I'm Scott Allen Miller. This is the 3rd of August, 2021. This is Sheep Guarding Llama. Welcome to the show, coming to you from Las Peñitas, Leon, Nicaragua. I was planning on coming out right about this time to do the show, and I was hanging out with the dogs for a few minutes, taking a break, doing a little bit of Duolingo, and the power went out. So, perfect time to come outside and do the show. But it is gorgeous, the temperature is great, it feels wonderful, and the sky is this awesome dark gray coming in. I don't know how well you can see it. I think pretty well, actually. And that's, I'm sure, ooh, there's the thunder. I'm sure that's why the power is out, is there is a storm rolling in from Leon right now. So I'm guessing in about 10 minutes, we're gonna have quite a lot of rain around here. So, adios. So, oh, we have Paul heading to the store. It's pretty much schedulable to be able to tell that it is going to be a storm in the afternoons. We are this week, according to Google Weather, expected to have a storm every day, and it's always at almost exactly the same time. It is about 5 o'clock, and we go from bright and sunny and clear all day long to suddenly these really dark storm clouds roll over, and we get between 30 minutes and 4 hours of intensive storm all the time. Now, we've gone a week or two with really nothing, and I've only had storms now for the last couple days, but it gets into this pattern. But it's always at this time of day. You never get them in the morning. You never really get them at night. A little bit, but if we do get it at night, it's because it started earlier in the day. So today, well, actually I should start with last night. We had a birthday party at the hotel for Carlos. It was his birthday. I'm just gonna turn around so you can see the horse here. There's a new sign up at Cholitos. And we did, Dominica made chocolate cupcakes for him yesterday morning. That's why she was up early, did that. And then we celebrated with all the crew last night. And actually got to bed at kind of on the early side, because just everybody's been feeling really tired recently. So that was good. Today, got up, I didn't walk the dogs a ton this morning. We actually went for a really short morning, and Mia's not feeling great. She threw up during the night a lot, and then, or actually, before going to bed she threw up, but pretty late. And then this morning she threw up and there were some plastic bits in it. So I'm really worried about what she got into herself, that it may be causing a problem. Hopefully it was just a little bit in her stomach and she threw it up, and that's all there is to it, but we will see. But she's been acting fine all day, but she hasn't really been eating that much. I did give her some toast and eggs this evening, and she just devoured that. So hopefully everything is fine. I'm actually walking out to the beach so you can get a view of kind of what it looks like as the storm starts to come out over the ocean. We have this cute little dog here. He's not even paying attention to me. He's like, whatever. He's like, I'm a dog, beach dogs. Everybody thinks I'm cute, leave me alone. Hi. Yeah. Anyway, kind of a normal work day. Today is Tuesday. I had my Spanish class today, which I was just, it was early afternoon, and I was just feeling worn out this whole day. I've been feeling really tired, and a lot of yelling going on, and I was just, it's been a very sleepy day. I just wish I could get more sleep, and I got to sleep in this morning. I actually didn't get up until 6, and you know, went to bed kind of early and still just feeling very run down. And I had a lot of coffee today too. I had a few meetings, just the whole day. It's been very sleepy. Not so much exhausted, just tired. I don't know. But I did my Spanish class today, got another one tomorrow, doing an hour class tomorrow because my teacher's out on Thursday and Friday. I think he's traveling because he's in Madrid right now. And oh, here he comes. And so I got to prep for that tonight. And yeah, overall it's been kind of a slow day, not a lot to report. I do have a bunch of the videos have been uploaded, so I'm all caught up, and I'm trying to do these in the afternoon now because it just works out a lot better. But now it's easy to get caught up because not a lot's going on. So of course they're a little bit boring, but this timing was just perfect to come out and do this while the storm is rolling in and we have no power. Now the question is, how long will we be without power? Sometimes it's a few minutes, but often it's a couple hours. Luckily we have the generator, so we're just giving it a few minutes to see what happens, and then we're going to kick on the generator to bring our internet equipment back up. Adios. Bring the internet back up and be able to turn on. We won't turn on the air conditioning because it's nice and cool. Like, this feels great. It's actually cooler outside now than we would normally air condition. It's probably in the high 70s right now. We've already I'm sure the GoPro won't really get this. There's a gorgeous pelican up there flying, and it's so cool. We really don't get seagulls here. I haven't seen a single seagull in all the time we've been here, but we do get these pelicans, and they're fantastic. They're huge, they fly all over, they do all this cool stuff out in the ocean. It's pretty neat. But no real plans for this evening, especially now that the power's out. It's probably going to be pretty relaxing. We're just going to chill, and I won't be able to upload this until we go to generator or the power comes back. So that is it for today, the 3rd of August, 2021. I'll see everybody tomorrow.